Hello everyone, I am Teotona, research engineer at Adobe, and I'm going to introduce you the work we did on a novel tessellation-free approach to ray trace surfaces with displacement mapping. Displacement mapping is a powerful tool for adding geometric details over a base surface by applying an offset called displacement along the normal. As you can see with these renderings, with and without displacement mapping has a great impact on the final appearance, especially regarding silhouettes and self-shadowing. In this talk, we want to ray trace surfaces with displacement on a GPU with high quality, which is a challenge due to the limited available memory. Secondly, we assume the base surface on which the displacement is applied is a triangle mesh. We want to target high-resolution displacement bitmaps, and as you can see with these close-ups, this kind of displacement content is almost worth an entire scene of geometric details. Finally, we focus on a digital content creation context, meaning that anything should be modifiable at any time, from displacement scaling to the amount of tiling applied on a surface. Rendering surfaces with displacement is typically performed using an explicit surface realization using tessellation in a pre-process step. However, in the context of ray tracing, since the geometry content must be random accessible, tessellation leads to huge memory overhead, as both the display surface and its acceleration structure must be present in memory, which is even worse in a case of tiling. Moreover, the tessellation discrete sampling can struggle to represent the displacement high frequencies. One other approach is to consider instead the display surface as an implicit surface that can be intersected using ray marching. However, existing methods either work for special cases or have to make approximation on a display surface. Our method is inspired from previous methods that consider implicit acceleration structures for surfaces with displacement, such as Heidrich and colleagues and Smith and colleagues. We use an implicit hierarchy using affine arithmetic and min-max bounds to perform a traversal of ephemeral bounding boxes and micro-primitives. More specifically, our first main contribution is a novel method to compute bounding volumes of the display surface for a region on the base domain, by combining a min-max map of the displacement map and affine arithmetic. Our second main contribution is an implicit acceleration structure that maps text cells of the map to bounding volume in 3D. This structure can then be traversed to compute intersection with the display surface, with a range of supported local intersection tests with different speed quality trade-offs. Let's take a look at how this implicit acceleration structure looks in practice in 3D. The blocks considered during traversal are ephemeral and generated on a per-ray basis. They represent the bounds associated to a single text cell of multiple MIP levels. Here are some path trace results, shown on the right, with the corresponding amount of memory used to represent the geometry. The base surface is shown at the top left, and the displacement map is shown at the bottom right. Our approach is robust enough to support advanced ray tracing effects, such as subsurface scattering or translucency, as shown here with the same acceleration structure with different materials. Our method is able to represent the full geometric complexity stored in the displacement map, while adaptive tessellation struggles to represent high frequencies with high fidelities, with the same memory budget. In summary, we propose a method for high-quality ray tracing of surfaces with displacement that supports level of detail and a range of local intersectors. The method is based on an acceleration structure which is simply a textures and is displacement-centric. It has a low memory footprint, is suitable for real-time editing, and is fully tiling compatible. If this introduction has interested you, please consider seeing our talk and checking out the project page. Thank you!